Hey there, Internet Explorers. Have you ever found yourself staring at a checkout page, wondering, what the heck is Paysafe? And then, a thought pops into your head, is it just like PayPal? Well, today, we're diving into that very question. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the world of online payment gateways. What is Paysafe? Let's start with Paysafe. It's essentially a digital wallet, similar to PayPal, but with a twist. Paysafe offers a range of services, including eCash. This is like digital cash. You can load it up with money and use it to make online purchases. My Paysafe card, think of it as a prepaid card. You buy it with a specific amount, and you can use it for online transactions. Paysafe card, this is a physical prepaid card that you can buy in stores. So, in a nutshell, Paysafe provides you with different ways to pay online, giving you more flexibility and control over your transactions. What is PayPal? Now, let's talk about PayPal. It's probably one of the most well-known online payment platforms out there. PayPal is basically a digital wallet that allows you to send and receive money. You can transfer funds to friends, family, or businesses. Make online purchases. You can use PayPal to pay for goods and services on countless websites. Get paid. Businesses can use PayPal to accept payments from customers. Paysafe versus PayPal. Key differences. While both Paysafe and PayPal are digital payment methods, they have some key differences. Services. Paysafe offers a wider range of services, including eCash and prepaid cards. PayPal is primarily focused on sending and receiving money and online payments. Accessibility. PayPal is more widely accepted by merchants worldwide. Paysafe might have limitations in certain regions or for specific types of transactions. Fees. Both platforms charge fees for certain transactions, but the specific costs can vary depending on the service and location. It's always a good idea to check their fee structures before using them. Security. Both Paysafe and PayPal have security measures in place to protect your financial information. However, it's essential to practice safe online habits, such as using strong passwords and avoiding phishing scams. Is Paysafe better than PayPal? The question of whether Paysafe is better than PayPal depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a more flexible payment option with features like eCash and prepaid cards, Paysafe might be a good choice. However, if you prioritize widespread acceptance and ease of use, PayPal could be the better option. When to use Paysafe and when to use PayPal. Here are some general guidelines. Paysafe. Consider using Paysafe if you want to use prepaid cards or eCash. Need more control over your spending. Are concerned about privacy and want to limit the amount of personal information you share. PayPal. Consider using PayPal if you need a widely accepted payment method. Want to send and receive money easily. Are already familiar with the PayPal platform. So, to answer the original question, is Paysafe the same as PayPal? Not exactly. While they both serve as digital payment methods, they have distinct features and cater to different needs. Ultimately, the best payment method for you will depend on your specific circumstances. By understanding the key differences between Paysafe and PayPal, you can make an informed decision and choose the one that best suits your online payment requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.